go 10.
Just leg raises?
Yeah. Ready?
I don't know.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
I'm swinging a lot with them.
Yeah, it's trying to stabilize.
Ready?
Yeah, 10.
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Trying to lift your leg. You gonna feel these hurt. Even just a little bit, like, just not as far as you can, but like to where you can still lift up your leg. Right there, yeah. It's a little squeeze. I'm telling you.
I gotta get the abs right, bro. I can't.
It's ready for you. Ready? You go. How many is that? 30 reps? 40 reps? Okay, I got you.
10, 11, 12.
All right, here we go.
2, 3, 4, 5,
Oh, shit.
Nah, you different.
Oh.
Trying to get this thing done, bro. Get me out of here. Get these reps out the way. Get me out of here.
Well, you just did that, boy. I don't know. On my way.
Two, that's tough, dude. 3, nice. Good work. Good work. Going back up. Going back up. That's all. You out here tomorrow? I'll try. Matter of fact, we can start with that.
Get one more muscle up for the community. Cool. I think.
Well,
All right, bro.
that's it. Y'all subscribe to my boy Mike channel. Get out here, work out with us. We had a good workout. I don't even know what we done. We just winging it. So
That's what it is, man.
we really gonna have to start like writing up some stuff so we can be like more organized. But y'all see what's going on. So if you don't watch to this part, and you want to go out there to the park and do what you doing, let's do what we doing, man. You get in shape at any time. Like
Freestyle, bro.
just freestyle, just
Freestyle.
come out the dome. Whatever you feel like. You want to do legs, you got squat. You want to do abs. You see we did the toe touches, the L sits, the leg raises. You want to work back, arms, chest, pull-ups, chin-ups.
Anything. Anything is better than nothing. Anything is better than nothing, man. Go out there and work out, bro.
Yes,
Go out
sir.
there and work out.
Yes, sir. Push-ups. I need at least 200 a day. At least 200. At least. I'm short right now. I think we did what, like 115,
Yeah, we did a lot.
Yeah,
We did a
for
lot
sure.
extra. Minimum.
I really think I got like another 40 pieces in me. Just different reps. But if I do it, it ain't gonna be on camera.
Good work. That's good work, bro. That's
Yes,
real
sir.
good work, man. Go work out, man. Go work out, bro.
We out.